Hello and welcome, John Croner with Bullseye Trader. I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Tuesday, December the 11th, 2018. And before we get started, just the way this market has been going, in every day you could go long and short. So I want to introduce you and remind you about our free ebook, 5 Ways to Win in a Post-BTFD Market. Because certainly buying the F and dip is a thing of the past for at least a while. So just go to this link right here. We'll have that in the YouTube comments for you. It's a great way to just get some ideas on playing the short side of the market. And like I say, just about every day you could play short and long, just depending upon what part of the day it is. With that, let's go ahead and get into this market update. We'll start with the Qs. And you can see here, looking at the daily, we had the big gap up, okay, and then pretty much we pulled back. We came to below yesterday, got into that candle a little bit, then started rebounding. It looked like we were going to finish strong, and then it sold off again at the end of the day. So I guess volatility is the word. You can see here average volume, a little above average volume. Spiders, basically closed exactly where we closed yesterday. So, but you take a look at the travel, these charts have had over the past, from yesterday's open till today's close, just a wild ride. Same thing there. Nice pullback. Got well into yesterday's candle. Recovered real nice, but then sold off again. So, the spiders are even. IWM, actually have a bearish engulfing candle set up. Look at this here. Had the gap up, the pullback, came up and sold off. So, just that, lots of chop in the markets. It's the new normal is what it looks like. And the diamond, same thing. Big gap open and pulled back. Looked like we're going to recover, and nope, they're not going to do it. So, that's your market update for today. And let's go ahead now and take a look at Holly and see how she fared in this crazy market. And Holly Grail, we had 16 trades for a 42 cents profit, and the risk-on profit was a loss of 50 cents. Let's take a look to see what happened here. We had a short ACOR, 69 cents was the profit on that, and that was a timed exit. And had you held till the end of the day, you would have had 70 cents. So very nice call there. And that was the best in both categories, actually tied with another short AB, and got out for a profit save and lost 3 cents. And like we've talked about a lot of times, this is something you need to watch when Holly gets stopped out of, especially the shorts, and then they start performing. They seem to do really good. So she gets stopped out and ends up making 70 cents on that. Now we're going to go ahead and move on over to Holly 2.0. And we had a 16 trades there. Also lost 20 cents, and risk on lost $1.96. So Holly 2.0 had a rough day, but on GIII she made 38 cents. I got out for a timed exit. That was a long trade, okay, on one of these crazy days. It was Sunrise Mover, but got out for a timed exit. And it's a good thing she did, because had you stayed in that till the end of the day, you would have lost 36 cents. And her best risk-on trade was a short VRNT. She got out for a timed exit with a 31 cent profit. Had you held till the end of the day, 36 cents. And then finally we get onto Holly Neo, and let me move these charts up a little bit so that we can get a good look at them here. And she had 10 trades there, lost 64 cents, and lost 248 in the risk-on category. Okay, now let's take a look here. Her best trade was a short play, SFIX, and she made 89 cents, and she actually got out for a profit save. And you can see here she got in, nice pullback here. she got out, made her 89 cents, and then it pretty much went up for the rest of the day. It did pull back a little bit more, so you could have held through that pullback, made some more, for max profit. But had you held till the end of the day, you would have lost 16 cents. And her best risk on was Home, HOME, and she got out for a profit save once again. This was a short trade, and it went against her, and she just decided to get out. Looks like it just plain wasn't moving, so she got out. Then it started performing 78 cents. So those are your Holly trades for today. Let's bring in the Excel spreadsheet and see how we did with everything on that. And here we go. We have it. So if we add it up, Holly had 42 trades today, lost 42 cents, lost 494 for risk on. And for the week, she's at 73 trades, risk off 436 profit, risk on 383 loss. And just as a quick reminder, you can always follow me on my blog at bullseyetrader.com. You can like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter or StockTwits. If you got anything out of this video, we'd sure appreciate the thumbs up. Maybe drop in a comment, maybe share it. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button down there in the lower right, and we would sure appreciate that. And hey, I want to thank you for watching, and God bless.